Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about me doing 2-strand twist on my VIP client. He has nice thick hair. I am also using something that I have not used in a long time, which I love, and I always try to get when it rains. I am actually using rainwater, Crisco grease, and I am also using oil. And with the oil is any type of oil that you like, but I'm actually using sunflower oil and avocado oil. What I like to do first is go ahead and section off all the hair, and then I go in and do each section, and I strand twist each section. You guys, when I say I love rainwater, you have to try rainwater. It makes your hair super soft and moisturized, because his hair was kind of on a dry level because we just got finished washing it. Now I am just going in and doing the parting so I can be able to do the 2-strand twist. I like to be able to do straight parts. You can do pull parts, whatever type of parts that you like, but this is the parts I like to do. And I am just again sectioning, putting my oil on, and then using my rainwater, and then I am using my Crisco. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you about the rainwater is inside of my bottle. I love it. Not only do I like using rainwater, but I like using those mist bottles. So always try a good mist bottle. I'm also using, I forgot, Lotta Body setting lotion. I like to use that on the ends of the twist to make it be able to curl up. And then I put the silver clips so it can hold the hair down and it won't get curled up, because you know some hair curl up right afterwards. It just keep it nice and straight. But again, I'll be doing each section by section and just doing the same thing over and over using my Crisco, and I'll supply you with a great video to show you about my Crisco little mixture. It's the best moisturizing mixture ever for natural hair. I don't use it on locks because, you know, when you use things on locks, you got to be able to know that usually when you put something in locks, it's going to stay. So I'm very careful about what I use in my locks. But when I say it's excellent on natural hair or relaxed hair, try it. I know you guys will love Crisco. Okay, so I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to let you watch me as I do it. If you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comments below. And I also have a lot of videos out. Please make sure you check them out. You guys take care, be blessed, and I will chat with you guys later.
Mr. Kenneth Hauser is not our man. Yeah, the only thing he's ever killed was a bag of hot Cheetos. Since he finally came around the road while he was toking with his boys.
Yeah, well, clearly that's what's happening on this video. Wait, play that.
What happened to Marshall Hillman?
Tyler Roberts! Come out! fantastic. You? See? I can say swimmingly. No, we're just nice little dry humor. Don't make me ask you again.
We need to contain this. What's going on? There's something you should see.
It's
Do what?
I just need justice. Yes, I understand how important this is. Okay. Yeah, I'll be there. I know the address. Okay. All right. What's up? AT's teaching school. Oh, glory days. You have visitors. Be polite and come to the damn door. All right, out we go. On a fire that also killed their daughter Rebecca. Angela and their son Isaac survived. There's also this: a local hospital treated a woman 2 days ago for a gunshot wound. She disappeared after the surgery. They emailed me stills of the security footage. That's Angela. Peter shot at someone before he died, and maybe Angela somehow blamed him.